We don't recommend that you wash your face in the morning as it may strip off all of the stuff that you've done the night before to create that barrier, and it may also irritate your skin. Julie does, however, like to use a toner though. Here she's using La Mer. Toners aid in hydration and include hyaluronic acid, which is great for your skin. Next, the #1 selling anti-aging product in our store is the CE Ferulic by Skin Sutuals. This stuff will make your face glow and appear to have taken off years. It's a medicinal product, so you'll want to put just about 3 drops in your hands and then press it gently into the skin. Next, one of our more recent products by Augustinus Bader. This is the Rich Cream. This moisturizer will drastically improve your skin within a week. It comes with a heftier price tag of $265, but has quickly become a favorite amongst celebrities and is the it product right now in all beauty magazines. Consider adding it to your Christmas list. Next, we're going to bring in a product from Dior. We are so excited to have the Dior line at our West Paces Ferry store now. You should stop in and check it out. Here, Julie is using Dior Capture Youth Age Delay Advanced Eye Treatment. It helps with circulation, tightening, and depuffing under the eyes. Women at any age are probably going to complain about this. So you'll want to press it or pump it very gently, which will open up the blood circulation. Then use the remainder of the cream on your lips. Next up, some of the newest products on the market today are blurring primers. We like to think of this as a real-life Instagram filter for your face. This one is Trish McEvoy's Beauty Booster Soothe and Illuminate Cream. We like to apply it using a brush. Some women buy this and they just use that with a little bit of concealer and out the door they go. Now onto foundation. We're going to use Dior Forever Skin Glow. This will illuminate the skin and diffuse any flaws. Also, one misconception is that people believe they need to apply this to their entire face like a mask. That's untrue. Apply it just to the areas where you need it. Next, we're going to use the Trish brush to apply the Trish McEvoy corrector under the eyes. Now you want to apply it all over the eye socket, this entire area. You see where the bone is? It's naturally just going to be darker than the rest of your skin. And keep in mind that the skin will absorb about 30% of this, so don't worry about it being blended perfect immediately. So now you can see how it's already begun to absorb into the skin. This product is brightening, but it has a pink tone to it. So what we're going to do next is add some Chantecaille concealer. This is one of our favorite concealers in the store. So just lightly go over the pink so that it can make it color corrected to her skin tone. Next, we're going to set it with powder. Julie just used powder throughout the center of the face, keeping the outside clean to add highlighter to later. She's using the Bobbi Brown brush, which is her favorite. It's the perfect size for this, with the By Terry Hyaluronic Hydro Powder. This won't mattify the skin, but it will set it so that it stays in place. Next up, bronzer is very crucial to add some color back into our skin. She's using the bronzer brush by Trish McEvoy with bronzer by Bobbi Brown. Always make sure to start with the bronzer under your chin so there doesn't seem to be a disconnect between the chest and the forehead. They're two different colors. Always make sure to bounce it on the lid or on the back of your hand so that you're not applying too much. You don't want it to look dirty. Then to the forehead, and then down alongside the cheekbone, almost in a 3 formation. And don't forget the ears. We don't want to have white ears. Next, we're going to add a reflective glow. This will diffuse any imperfections. Julie is using the By Terry Compact Expert Dual Powder and the smaller Bobbi Brown brush. She's going to start with a little on the outside of the forehead and then sweep it across the jawline. This palette has a deeper color on the outside and a cooler color on the inside. Also be sure to sweep a tad down the bridge of the nose and a little on the top of the lip. Now to choose a blush color. Take a look at the color of her lip, and when you pull it down, that's how you can choose a blush that'll match your skin tone nicely. Here, Julie is using Dior Rouge Blush Long Wear Powder Blush in the color Rose Caprice Matte. So take a blush brush and apply it in a half moon, then sweep it and drag it back to soften off the edge. Now onto the eyes. Instead of an eyeliner, we're going to use a color from one of our By Terry palettes. This palette is gorgeous, but you can use any palette you have at home. With an angled brush, Julie dabs it in, then shakes off any excess to avoid fallout on her face, and then just gently stamps it onto the lid against the lash line. No need to have a lot of skills in drawing a straight, perfect line. It's simple, easy, and beautiful. Next, we're going to add some color to the eyes. This shimmer is called Champagne by Chantecaille. You're going to apply it to your eyelids with just your finger. It's that simple. Next, we're going to apply Dior Show Mascara, available at the West Paces Ferry store. So what you want to do is push it into the base of your lash with the thickest part of the wand and then wiggle it out. Then you can use the curved part of the brush on the ends for a little bit more lift. Now, we've already used a powder blush, but for some people who have much drier skin, they may need a cream blush. For that, we highly recommend this product by Westman Atelier. First, you want to start with Lit, which is an illuminating balm. Warm it up in your hands and then dab it on the whole cheek area, followed by a little Baby Cheeks blush stick, also by Westman Atelier. And lastly, Julie's go-to lip color for any woman is the Chantecaille Lip Chic in the color Tea Rose. That's it. We used a lot of products here to show you a range of what can be done, but come into the store, talk to Julie or any of our makeup artists, and we can help you navigate what's best for your skin and your age. We also offer curbside pickup and same-day delivery. We hope to see y'all soon.